Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to add an extension. First, sign into Chrome so settings and permissions tie to a profile. Once signed in, open the Chrome Web Store and search for the exact extension name or a clear keyword. Make sure to inspect ratings, number of users, and recent reviews. This tells you reliability. Also check the listed permissions to avoid surprises. When you see the correct listing, pause and confirm the developer. Once done, you're set to proceed with installation. Click Add to Chrome and read the permission dialog. This is why you reviewed permissions earlier. If prompted, confirm any optional settings the extension requests. After install, click the puzzle icon and pin the extension to the toolbar so you can access it quickly. For deeper control, open Chrome, / extensions to manage site access, background behavior, and to enable developer mode if you need to load unpacked extensions. Make sure to test basic functionality now so you can catch issues early. Test the extension's core features on the sites you'll use. Open its options or settings panel to adjust preferences. If something fails, return to Chrome, / extensions and try updating, toggling off then on, or reinstalling the extension. Make sure Chrome is up to date and restart the browser after changes. If problems persist, disable other extensions to find conflicts, clear cache, or create a fresh profile. Remember, one key trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.